Future clothing in 2050.
By 2050, the fashion landscape will be reshaped by the dual imperatives of climate change and technological innovation, ushering in an era of truly transformative apparel. At the forefront will be smart fabrics with adaptive insulation. Imagine a jacket that knows when to keep you warm on a chilly morning and when to switch to breathable mode during a heat wave. Embedded sensors will monitor health metrics like heart rate and hydration, allowing for an unprecedented level of interaction between wearer and garment, while self-cleaning nanotechnology will drastically reduce water usage. Sustainable and circular materials will define this new age of clothing. Biodegradable textiles and lab-grown leather will replace traditional fabrics, leading to a revolution in sourcing and manufacturing. By utilizing algae or mycelium-based materials, the industry will respond to the urgent need for eco-conscious alternatives. Such fabrics will be designed for circularity, ensuring easy disassembly for reuse or composting, addressing the global waste crisis. Flood-resilient designs will become essential as climate-induced changes increase urban flooding. Garments featuring biomimetic coatings and graphene membranes will provide unparalleled water resistance while remaining lightweight. Additionally, customizable 3D printed clothing will offer on-demand solutions, where every piece is tailor-made through AI to fit not only body shape, but individual style, further minimizing waste in production. Lastly, wearable technology will not only enhance functionality, but also redefine cultural perspectives in fashion, leading to inclusive designs that cater to diverse lifestyles and preferences in an ever-changing world. This harmonious blend of fashion, functionality, and sustainability will be the hallmark of apparel in 2050.